Hello gentlemen, here we are, fighting to survive as the Queen sing. Hard times for all of us, but I'm here, I'm back. And speaking of queens, look at her. She's standing still for a few weeks. She's so sad, she only wants to run, I want to ride, but we are confined at home. Anyway, waiting for this year to end quickly, I bought her a gift. She's already beautiful as she is, you know. But you only live once, so let's see what's come out. This year, more than ever, we all deserve a gift. But I've been such a good boy, and so I deserve two for that. Let's unboxing them and see together what it is. So I bought a couple of original handlebar and wheel kit, anodized aluminum, 50 euros, about $60. And welcome to new grips for 22mm handlebar diameter. If you are going to change your grips before both them, you just have to validate the correct diameter of your back handlebar. In our case, it will be 22mm. Come on guys, let's find out how they fit. These are the tools we need: X key, skinny screwdriver, lubricant spray, poker cards, cigars, blondie wig, tennis racket, a trophy, a vintage camera, an exhaust, a globe, a cannonball, a black telephone, red wine, a pink unicorn, and an 8-ball. Nothing else, we are ready. Before start, if you are uncertain about the installation, please hire a qualified person. Having said that, let's start on left side. On this side the process will be simple and faster, so come on, loosen and remove the exact bolt from handlebar end, remove the handlebar mirror too, if you have mounted one here. Well, now lift the end of the grip and carefully slip into the grip your screwdriver. We can use high air pressure to detach the grip. If air pressure is not accessible for you, you can use just a common lubricant spray. Use the screwdriver as a lever and use your available tools to loosen and remove the grip. Air pressure, lubricant spray, a globe, a cannonball, a pink unicorn, all tools available. Jokes aside, work the screwdriver around a bit, don't rush, be patient, and you can work the grip off. Allow all the time for the grip to become free on handlebar. Well guys, now gently rotate and simultaneously pull out it from handlebar. And now we just have to clean the handlebar with alcohol to get the lubricant spray residue off. You know, the alcohol evaporates without leaving any residue, so use it without hesitation. Assembly new grip on handlebar, rotating and pushing it inwards at the same time. Come on guys, put your strength into it. One last effort, finish line is near. Well done, at last insert the handlebar mirror, tighten the exhaust bolt of the new handlebar end. Check that the new grip is firmly attached onto the handlebar and go on. Let's move on right side. After losing and removing the old exhaust bolt from handlebar end, we can notice that between grip and handlebar there is the throttle rotor. Well, it will be the worst enemy of the day. Use all weapons available to overcome him, but be careful not damage the throttle sleeve beneath the grip. Anyway, don't worry, because it's the same process as before. Use the screwdriver as a lever between the grip and the throttle rotor, and use your available tools to loosen and remove the grip. Air pressure, lubricant spray, or both as well. Work the screwdriver around a bit, don't rush, be patient, be careful not to damage the throttle sleeve beneath the grip. Allow all the time for the grip to become free on the throttle rotor. Gently rotate grip and simultaneously pull out. Well done! Now we just have to install new grip. This is the most delicate and complex phase, but I know you do this, and there is no turning back. At the end, insert the tighten the new X-socket bolt and check that the throttle moves freely, no parts are in contact with the grip. The throttle must return back in idle position automatically when released from hand. So what do you think about? Do you like that? Write below everything you think about. As always, thanks for watching, and I'd like to add one thing. Thanks to your love, it has been a little less bad year. I'm not perfect, but I am honest. Grazie. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays from me and my queen. See you guys. Ciao ciao.